Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to punch someone on the Stumble Guys game. So first of all, of course, all you need to do if you don't have Stumble Guys on your phone, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually did that, you will be able to open your game. But first of all, let me just tell you, if you are interested on playing Stumble Guys on your PC, you'll find a video on this channel on how to do that exactly. So make sure if you are interested to go and check it out on how to play Stumble Guys on your PC, as we said. So of course, if you are done, download it and everything, maybe on your phone or PC, and just go and open this Stumble Guys directly. So as you can see, it's for me opened directly without any loading or something. Don't panic or anything, that's because I already had the game opened. But of course, for you it will take sometimes until to load or log into your account, or even if you are new, it will actually create your account instantly for you. In this game, you don't need any logins or any creating your account. So simply, as we said in the beginning of the video, if you want to use the punch, we'll show you how. But however, there is actually a hidden way to unleash special actions, as I said, like punching and sliding. Both of these are which can definitely help you maybe to knock enemies down, and when used correctly. Both of these are special actions are used via specific emotes or animations. In that case of the punch, this action can be used via the boxing glove emotes. So of course, now just go to the customize option to show you this and click at emote. So of course, if you didn't find this here on emotes, you can go to animations and maybe scroll down until you find there's a not this butt shake. Oh, this is fighting. Okay, so make sure to buy this and use it into the game, and that will actually make you punch people. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.